Okay, so we're talking about, I don't know if you saved it. You didn't save what I put here before. You didn't save it at all. Okay. We're talking about pig, right? So I got this one before, but it didn't take it. So pig, what was the last sentence that I made? Kedu ihe m kwuru maka pig? Kedu onye chetara ihe m kwuru maka pig? What was this sentence that I made about pig? In Igbo or in English? Who remember that? I want to make sure you guys are paying attention in this class. What did I say? What was my sentence? Gene ka m kwuru, if you know it, I want you to speak up. What did I say? What was the sentence I made about pig? I started by saying, my aunt. So how did I put it? I said, my aunt. So nobody remembered what I said. Wow. I hope you guys are paying attention in this class. I hope you're paying attention. Okay. My aunt gave me a pig. Okay, so let's do that one. My aunt gave me a pig. My aunt gave me, okay, let's see, gave me a pig. Nwanne, it can be nwanne papa or nwanne mama. Your aunt can be from your mom's dad side or from your dad's side, okay? So let's say nwanne mamam, or you can say nwanne mamam, or you can say nwanne mamam or papam. Nke nwaanyị. Nwanne mamam, you know, aunt is a female. Okay, uncle is a male. Nwanne mamam, papa nwaanyị. Nwaanyị is a female. Nyerem ezi. Nyerem ezi. See that? That's not easy. Remember, we have easy, we have easy, we have easy, which is outside. We have easy. Pay attention to that. All right. Nyerem ezi. Ezi is a pig. And we also said, the first thing I did before was, this pig, I'm surprised nobody said that. This pig is dirty. Ezia. Ezia ruru. Unyi. It means it's dirty. The pig is dirty. All right, so we need to move on. I think I'll let you guys ask questions. We'll finish it up next time. I want you all to ask questions, okay? If you have any question now, this is the time. Don't forget to say your name and then say enwerem ajuju. Enwerem ajuju. Then you ask your question. All right, go ahead. You have a chance now to ask questions. If you guys don't have any questions, that's fine, but make sure you know what I'm going to post. Okay, make sure you know them. Okay, Chukwode.
Say I have Chimsonari.
I have a Chimsonari.
I wear them ajuju.
I wear them ajuju.
Okay, Chisonari.
How do you say cloud in Igbo?
How do you say what? Cloud.
Cloud in Igbo.
Urukpu. Can you say urukpu?
Urupu.
Urukpu.
Urupu.
Urukpu.
Urupu.
Okay. Cloud is urukpu, okay?
Okay.
All right. So what did I say cloud is again?
Urupu.
Yeah, urukpu.
So say dalu.
Dalu.
Imela. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? See, we have mbada. Mbada is called deer. We're going to make sentences again. And then after that, I'll let you guys make a sentence. We have cat. Cat. Nwanyanwu. We have goat called ehu. Some people call it ewu. We have sheep. Sheep is atoro. Atoro. We have cow. Some people call it nama, but the central name is ehi. Ehi. Bird is no. Snake is called agwo. Agwo. Turtle is called mbeku. Mbeku. Squirrel is called osa. Snail is ejule. 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 Okay, so now I'm gonna send out this, and I want you to make a sentence with the remaining ones. You're gonna be the one to make a sentence with deer, cat, goat, sheep, cow, bird, snake, turtle, squirrel, and snail. You're gonna be the one to make a sentence. Okay, somebody is raising hand.
Excuse me?
Who?
I
have to say your name. Ahambo.
Could you repeat that? Oh, new. So
Ahambo. Then you say your name. Enwerem ajojo.
Anyway, I
Gịnị
don't
bụ aha gị? No. What's your name? Say, aha, what's your name?
Angel?
Who?
Angel.
Angel. Ahambo. Angel.
A humble angel.
Angel. Okay. All right. Enwerem ajojo.
Anyway, I don't know.
Enwerem.
Anyway.
Enwerem.
Anywhere.
No. Enwerem.
Anywhere.
Enwere.
Anywhere.
Okay. Ngwa gịnị bụ ajụjụ gị? Angel, what's your name? What's your question?
So I just wanted to, this is the first class that I've been to so far. I was just wondering, where do you were saying about you're going to post stuff. Where do you post it?
The class note, what we just did today.
Where?
I posted in the forum. Are you in the forum? What's that forum?
So
Are you there?
No.
Okay, do you have a phone number?
Yeah.
Okay, Angel, how old are you?
14.
Okay, if you have a phone number, send me your number, okay? Then I will add it to the forum. That way, when I send out a class note, you can print it out or you can go over it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so you have my number. You have something to write my number now? Or
Yeah.
do you have it?
Yeah.
You have my number. Okay, text me your number. I'll add it to the forum before I send the note out, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you. Can you say dalo?
Dalo.
Email. Thank you, Angel. Yes. All right. I saw Obi. Obi and Chima. Do you all have questions? Obi and Chima. Jojo. You are raising your hand, Obi and Chima. Okay, so if you guys
Yes, I have a question.
All right, what is the question?
How do you say marker in Igbo?
How do you say what?
Marker.
Marker?
Yeah.
Edemede. Edemede. Marker is edemede. If it's pencil, edemede. Okay? So even though some people call it pencil, but it's edemede, okay? Mpese. Can you say mpese?
Mpisi.
Edemede.
Edemede.
Yeah, kedu onye na-ekwu na gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị?
Obi.
Aha m bụ Obi.
Ahambo Obi.
Daalụ. All right, so another person has a question. I want to hear everybody say Kemesia or Cardio. How do you tell me see you next time?
Cardio.
Kemesia. You supposed to say Kemesia, then I say Cardio. Okay, Kemesia no.
Cardio.
Cardio.
Cardio.